am Pushpa Kumawat, Assistant Professor, Biani Girls B8 College. I welcome you all on behalf of GuruKPO.com. Today I am going to present a lecture about the verb. What is verb? A verb is a word that tells something about a person or a thing. We are having here some examples. I am a teacher. In this sentence, am is working as a main verb. I sing. In this sentence, sing is a main verb. Now we will know the types of main verb. We have two types of main verbs. These are transitive verb or intransitive verb. Let's see what is transitive verb. Transitive verb, a verb that denotes an action which passes over from the subject to an object, or we can say a sentence which asks the question of what. Like I eat mango. In this sentence, eat is the main verb and it is passes over to the next object which is mango. In the second example, the boy kicks the football. In this sentence, kicks is working as the main verb and it passes over to the football, which is the object of this sentence. So friends, we can say a sentence which asks a question, what, which is the object of the sentence. Now we will see intransitive verb is that a verb that denotes an action which does not passes over from the subject to its object. These are the examples of intransitive verb. In this, I cry, and in this sentence there is no object and there is no need for an object. The boy laughs. In this sentence, laughs is an intransitive verb. The next one, the baby sleeps. This is another example of intransitive verb. All these sentences do not need of any object for a complete sense. Now we will see the regular verb or irregular verb. Regular verb or regular verb that second and third form is made by adding d or ed is called regular verb. For example, we are having some verbs here like play and work. The first form of play is play, the second form is played and the third form is played. For work, first form is work, second form of verb is worked and third form is worked. So friends, these are the verbs which are having their second or third form with d or ed. These are the regular verbs which will change by adding d or ed in its second or third form. These are the regular verbs. Now we will see the irregular verbs. Irregular verb, a verb that second and third form does not made by adding d or ed, or its formation is completely different from the second or third form, is known as the irregular verbs. Here are some examples of irregular verbs. Cut, which second form will be cut and third form will be cut also. The next is go, which second form is went and third form is gone. Come, second form is came and third form is come. So friends, these are the verbs which does not made their second or third form by adding d or ed, known as the irregular verbs. So friends, if you like my video, then comment and share. For more details, log on to our website www.gurukpo.com. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you once again.